Hi everyone, welcome to our mini workshops website. Today we're going to walk you on how to book a workshop and how to pay. Alright, so as you can see here, this is our homepage. What you need to do is you have to be a user first before you can register any workshops. So hover your mouse over here and then click user register. Next, you just need to key in everything here. Alright, so pick a username, your contactable email, password, and then click register. What you're going to do next is you will need to log in first. So click user login, and then key in the same thing that you have keyed in during the registration process. So we're going to key in everything here. Alright, if you think that you don't want to always come in and log in, you can click this remember me, so that next time when you log into the website, this thing will automatically key in for you, or you can just skip all the login process. Alright, so for me, I don't want to click this. I will straight away click the login button. Now you have already logged in. You can start to scroll through and see if there's any workshop interests you. Alright, for this purpose, we actually created a dummy workshop listing so that you can see how the whole booking process goes. So what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and click on this orange section. Click here to check out the complete list of workshops we offered. Alright, this is the dummy listing that we have created. Just assume that you are interested to sign up for this one. So just click here, get ticket. Alright, as you can see here, there are a total of 12 slots available for this workshop, and 2 persons has already booked their space. There are a total of 10 slots remaining. Alright, so let's just book now. Okay, here you can select how many slots you would like to book. Alright, if you have 1 kid, that means 1 slot. If you have 2 kids, you will have to select 2 over here. So assume that you have 1 kid. Now just click book now. You can see that the dummy Pixar voice acting mini workshop for kids has been added to your cart. Okay, so this is your cart. Okay, you can click here or you can click here, view cart. Then you can see the whole information here. Make sure that everything is correct and then you click checkout. Alright, you will have to key in everything here. So I'll key in now. Alright, as you can see here, there are 2 payment methods that you can choose. You can choose whether you want to direct bank transfer the fees to us, or you can pay through PayPal. So in this case, I just select direct bank transfer. Because in PayPal, after you click this whole listing will direct you to the PayPal site, and then you just need to follow the whole instructions to pay. After we have received your order, we will issue you a receipt and we also contact you through WhatsApp. We will send you the workshop Zoom link. So now we click direct bank transfer and then place order. Okay, then you'll be able to view all your order information. So if you're choosing direct bank transfer, you will have to follow these steps. Please transfer the workshop fee amount through online banking or bank transfer to our bank account below, which is this one. Okay, we are using Maybank and this is our account number. Please fill in this form and attach your fee transfer receipt to the Google form. So what you need to do is you are going to either click on the link here or you just copy and then paste it using a new tab. Click it and you'll be able to see this form. All you need to do is just fill out everything. Okay, choose one workshop that you're interested in joining, and then add file here. You click here, and then you just upload your fee transaction receipt here as a proof, okay, so that we know that you have paid. And then you just click on submit, and then we'll be able to receive your form. So next time when you log back into the website, you can view your booking details, whether it's still pending, meaning that we haven't checked your order. All right, you can click on this part, user account. Okay, and then you'll be able to see the workshops that you have ordered. Currently it's pending because, like I said, we haven't received your order. So once we have checked that, okay, you have already paid and already filled the form, then we will change this status to in progress and completed. All right, so please come back to this website, miniworkshops.stage69productions.com, and then log in, click on user account, and then you will be able to see what is the status. All right. If you prefer to pay through PayPal, all you need to do is to click on the PayPal and click place order. And then the listing will direct you to the PayPal site where you need to select your preferred credit card or debit card payment method, and then you just click pay now. All right, then you will be able to receive a receipt. And of course, the receipt will send to your email also. Now, just click return to merchant. All right, then you'll be able to see that you have successfully registered yourself a slot. We hope you find this video useful, and we can't wait to have you or your child as one of our students. Have a nice day.